Hello everyone, Shriman is back again in this tutorial and today we will discuss about adjoint of a square matrix. So what about its definition and what is its importance? So we will talk everything about this. Let here, let AI is equals to Aij, this be a square matrix of order n and Cij be a cofactor of Aij in A. So actually this will be a square matrix and this will have some elements. So Cij will be the cofactors of that elements of the square matrix A. So what about this adjoint? What this means? So let's read its definition. The adjoint of a square matrix A is defined as the transpose of the matrix of cofactors of elements of A. So this says that we have to if we have to find the adjoint of any square matrix, then we have to find cofactors of each and every elements of a square matrix A. So Cij will be cofactors and we have to find a matrix having their elements as the cofactors of elements of A. So suppose A have some elements A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay. So when we find the cofactors of each and every elements of this A, then the cofactors will be C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. So this will be these will be the cofactors of the elements of A. Okay. And now what this says we have to make a matrix. We have to just make a matrix which have elements of actually the matrix having these cofactors as their elements will be just getting interchanged their rows and columns. First read the definition what it says. The adjoint of a square matrix A is defined as the transpose of the matrix. So there is a matrix whose elements are the cofactors of elements of A. So Cij is also a matrix here. That is mathematically adjoint A will be the Cij and its transpose. So Cij will be a matrix and its elements are the cofactors of each and every elements of A. So C11, C12 are the elements of this matrix. And then what about the adjoint? Adjoint will be the transpose of this matrix. So when we find the transpose of this matrix, then this will be equals to adjoint A. So how to find the cofactors, how to find minors, and how to find the transpose, you can switch to the previous videos because I have discussed how to find transpose, how to find minors, and how to find cofactors in previous videos. So you have to just go there and you have to watch that videos if you don't know that how to find these things. Then first of all find the matrix which having cofactors. You have to find the cofactors of each and every elements of a square matrix A, then form a matrix with these cofactors and then find the transpose of that matrix, and then the transpose of this Cij will be known as the adjoint of A. Okay. And now there is one point. This is about the square matrix of order 2. So this says that adjoint of a square matrix of order 2 is obtained by interchanging the diagonal elements and changing signs of off diagonal elements. So suppose that if there is a square matrix and its order is 2, then if we have to find its adjoint, then it is very simple. So what we have to do, we have to just interchange the diagonal elements. So A and D are the diagonal elements. So we have to interchange their positions. D will come here and A will come here. So these two will be interchanged. And we have to change the signs of these two off diagonal elements. These are on diagonal elements and these two are off diagonal elements. So we have to change the sign. So here C is positive, B is positive, so C will be negative and B will be negative. And if here there will be a minus sign, that means minus C or minus B, then this will become plus. So we have to just change the signs of off diagonal element. So this will be adjoint of this matrix. Look here, A is the matrix, a square matrix of order 2, and the adjoint of A will just become this D minus B minus C and A. So this is the way through which we will find the adjoint of a square matrix of order 2. And if we have to find a square matrix adjoint of a square matrices of order 3 and 4, we have to just find the cofactors of each and every elements, and then we have to form the matrices having these cofactors as their elements, and then we have to find its transpose. So this is the method, this is the algorithm, this is the method for finding the adjoint of yes given a square matrix A. So actually I have discussed about how to find the transpose, how to find what cofactors, minors of a determinant or anything. So you can just find it with yourself. So just try with your own self. And now this is a short video. We will just meet later.